Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra if you're new here, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun Fall 2022 unboxing. I did customize some things, so I hope that you enjoy this, and let's go ahead and get started on with the video. First thing that I see is actually the coupons. There is Daily Harvest, the Bright Sellers that they always do, and I think this is a new one, the Book Club for Kids. They also have the little magazine. I will let you know which products I actually picked myself and which ones I am surprised to see in here because I just noticed some products that I didn't know about. So the first thing that I did get is the black, I think it's how you say it, pumpkin fresh peepers. So these are to minimize puffiness and dryness. So the packaging looks like this, and I love the look of this. These are actually under eye patches. I'm literally like on my last two or something like that. I love under eye patches. They feel incredible under my eye, especially when they're cold, and I believe these are more pumpkin style ones for fall, so I'm super excited to try these. I had never heard of this brand before, and again, that's one of the things I say this a lot if you've watched a lot of my FabFitFun videos, but I really do appreciate how there's always new brands that I get to try out. This is one of the products that I did pick. The next thing I see is this. So seems like these are eye drops. That's what it looks like. These are redness reliever eye drops. Quick little random fact, I am horrible with eye drops. For some reason, like, I wear contacts, I put them on every single day, and I have no problem with contacts and putting my contacts on. Like, I've been doing it for so many years. I like do it without even looking in a mirror anymore. But eye drops are a whole other deal. Like, I cannot get eye drops in my eye. It's like so hard. My eye wants to just close every single time that I try to put an eye drop in. But my eyes do get dry because of my contacts. But I noticed that these are more for redness. So this is interesting. I wonder why they put this. So I actually wanted to give this to my mom because she's been really into these embroidery things lately, so that's why I picked this specifically. So this is the winter flower embroidery kit. This is by, it just says, I think it's Craft Crush. This I would love to see. I'll still open it for you guys and show you what it looks like inside. I'm just gonna give this to my mom as a random gift just because I thought of her when I saw this. But yeah, it looks really cute. The next thing, I'm super excited. I've heard such amazing things about Summer Fridays. So I did get this overtime mask. So this says that your skin cells work overtime, shedding and renewing themselves, but if they can't keep up the pace, your complexion can get a little cluttered. This clarifying mask uses vitamin-packed pumpkin and exfoliating apricot seed powder to get dull skin back on track, gently polishing away dead cells for luminous results. So I'm so excited to try this. I don't know if it smells like anything. Maybe it does. Yeah, it does have a scent. It smells like pumpkin. Okay, I'm getting all the fall vibes with this. I'm getting all the fall vibes. I can't wait to use this and my under eye pumpkin mask. Like, I feel so fall. I love fall. So I've heard such incredible things about Summer Fridays, and I've been dying to try a lot of their products. So this is actually might be my first product that I try from them. The next thing I think I did pick out myself. This is the Unite 7 Seconds Detangler. This is a leave-in conditioner. I can already smell it. It smells very like refreshing and really, really nice. I cannot live without a detangler. I spray my hair every time I'm out of the shower because my hair does tangle since it's thin. So this is huge for me. I really want to try this. I've never tried this brand, I don't think, before, but I have seen this brand a lot before, so it's not like a complete like different brand for me. It says within 7 seconds your tangles will be gone and your hair will start to feel alive again. So we have to try this together and see if it actually works. I don't remember if I picked this. I think I did. This is by Necessaire. I think it's how you say it. This is the packaging right here. Hopefully you can see it. This is a body wash. I don't think I have ever tried this brand before, but I've heard really good things. Ooh, I like their packaging. Do we see this? This is so beautiful. This is a multivitamin cleanse. Apply all over your body and massage for rich foam. So that's exciting. I'm super excited. This is not plastic. It's kind of like silicone. I just wanted to point that out because it feels different. That's so interesting, but I do love the packaging. I think it's super cute. It smells like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it smells like, is it eucalyptus or something? It smells so good. It's like a calming, like meditation scent you would want to smell while you meditate, if that makes sense. But it smells so good. Literally, it smells delicious. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't wait to try this. I have to finish the body wash that I'm using right now, but I can't wait to try this. The next thing is actually a little kind of like room edition or apartment edition. So this is called the Cloud Nola, or Cloud Nola, I think. It comes in this little box, and I think it's an alarm based on the sides. So on the side it has different little alarms, as you can tell. This is so cute. It's like a little marble color. This would definitely fit in with the apartment and with my desk specifically so well. It seems like the numbers show up right there, but it's so small and tiny. I really liked it. It's definitely something you could definitely give as a gift as well, but I'm definitely keeping this because I really like it. I did not pick that little alarm clock, by the way. I didn't see that as an option, but I did pick this. This is actually a 3-piece silicone baking set. So I picked this because I feel like I could really benefit from this. I love baking a lot. I especially love making alfajores. If you don't know, alfajores are actually Peruvian cookies that have like caramel inside. I love making those a lot. This is so cute, and the colors are adorable. And like this fall and winter, I definitely want to bake so much more. It has blue sprinkles all around it. It's so cute. It's adorable. I love it. It's super flexible, like super flexible, and it's like a good size actually. This also comes with 2 little spoons. So I don't know what these are called actually. I don't know what they're called, but they're for baking. So there's a small little one like this. This is so adorable, and then a bigger one. These seem super sturdy, like super sturdy. I love these so much. This is by the brand Cheek and Toric. So that's what it looks like right there. That is everything I got in my fall FabFitFun box for 2022. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. I will see you very soon in my next video. I hope you're having a beautiful day or night. Bye guys.